What's up, you guys? Zeddy at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to make $100 per day on your phone in 2019. Alright, so each method I'm going to be going over, I've proven and tested. I'll have links in the description if you want to check any of them out. And hit me up below in the comments if you have any questions. Now, the first one I'm going to get into here is going to be, playing Ignition Poker. This is a real money poker app. I've done pretty well on here over the last 12 months, and if you're into poker, they do 1.5 million in weekly tournament prizes. So I mean, there is a ton of money out there that you can take a stab at. But if you're into just like cash games or sit and goes, they have a ton of those on here as well. Now, I know everybody watching this is obviously not going to be into poker. Me personally, I've been playing poker for over 15 years, so this is something that I have like a knack for and I'm good at. But if you like poker and you're good at it, I definitely recommend you check out Ignition, just because they have one of the best mobile apps right now for playing these real money games. Anyways, I'm gonna get on to the next method here. I'm not gonna spend too much time with Ignition, but it is awesome playing on here. All right, so our next method we're gonna be getting into here is gonna be stock trading on Robinhood. Now, stock trading is awesome. It's been around forever, obviously, and it's always gonna be a way to make money, build your wealth. There are a few different ways that you can make money with stock trading, which I'm gonna go over. All right, so currently I've got a couple thousand in this account. Over the last 12 months, I've done definitely over 5,000 or 6,000 now in profit, trading relatively small amounts of money. So right now, like I said, I've got a couple thousand in here, but if you check out my 1 week graph, I'm up like 100. 1 month, I'm up like 400. Now, it doesn't seem like a lot, but when you pretty much combine each method I'm gonna be going over, it's going to be very powerful, and it's going to help you get to where you need to be to earn $100 a day. Now, stock trading, there's a few different ways you can make money. You can hold for the long term. You can swing trade, where you hold a stock for a short amount of time and try to profit on it. That's pretty much what I've been doing. It's been my strategy, and it's worked well for me. But, there are other ways you can trade as well. I don't recommend doing penny stock trading, but you can try that out if you want. But swing trading is a nice way to kind of mix it up with long-term investing. And the thing about trading on Robinhood too is that there are no commissions on here, so you can get started with as little as $5. So I mean, it's cool, and I mean, you can do this all from your phone. Even if you're experienced or even not experienced, I think Robinhood's probably the best app to be using right now, for trading purposes. So I'll just we'll pull up a stock here. Let's pull up all right, let's do Twitter. All right, so the cool thing here is that you can pull up prices, weekly prices, monthly prices, 3 month, a 1 year, and a 5 year. You can also pull up candlestick charts, which show you buying and selling happening. They pull up volumes for you to see what's going on with that particular stock. And obviously, Twitter, not exactly doing too bad, I guess, for the last year, but I definitely wouldn't buy this one, personally. But anyways, Robinhood, check them out. I mean, like I said, you can get started with as little as $5. There are no minimums to get started on Robinhood, so I mean, I definitely recommend you check them out. All right, so the next app I'm going to be getting into here is going to be John Crostini's super affiliate system. So what's awesome about this guy right here is that he's made millions of dollars online. He's got proven methods for how you can make money with affiliate marketing online, and this guy's pretty much a genius when it comes to this topic. He's got a bunch of free content you can check out, as well as some paid stuff, but you can make way more than $100 a day with affiliate marketing once you get good at it. You're just promoting products, whether it's like physical items on Amazon, whether it's like digital products, things like that. But the guy is super smart, and it's a lot easier to learn from somebody who's made a lot of money already, as opposed to you trying to do everything yourself and figure it out. And the guy's pretty much done his homework. So I mean, check him out, learn a little bit more about him if you want. If you want to get into the affiliate marketing thing, that can definitely obviously help you earn way more than $100 a day. And you could probably just do it from your phone as well. So all right, the next app we're gonna be getting into here is Inbox Dollars. Now, Inbox Dollars is an app that lets you play games, watch videos, take surveys, and you can do all these things to earn points. You can also refer friends. You can see I've got about $56 in this account. Now, you're not gonna get rich with this app, but if you combine it with the other methods I'm showing you, you can definitely get up to that $100 a day mark. You can earn anywhere from $50 to $250 a month if you're referring people. If you're not referring people, you can make anywhere from like 50 to 150 a month on here. Relatively easy. There's not much to it. Right now, I would say this is the best points to cash app out there. You know, I've tried a few different ones. I was using Swag Bucks for a while, but Inbox Dollars right now, you know, in 2019 is definitely where you should be. All right, so the next couple of apps I'm going to be getting into here is going to be with cryptocurrency trading. Now, things have been down a little bit, but you know, they're still way up from where things were like a couple years ago. And honestly, I think right now is probably a good time to start learning the crypto thing. So I'll show you my method here. So when I got started over 2 years ago trading crypto, I you know, opened a Coinbase account. This is basically a digital wallet and a trading platform that lets you trade some of the major cryptos like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and you know, hopefully they add more in the future. But you know, right now, like I said, things are down. But over the next 12 months or you know 24 months, I think that you know there's going to be an opportunity to make a lot of money with cryptocurrency trading. Coinbase will insure you up to $250,000. It makes it very easy to get money in and out of your checking account. So whether you want to hold for the long term on here or the short term, you can do that. I always pull up my account here to show you some of my active trades. And, you know, you can see that I've actually done this stuff. So, I mean, Coinbase, check them out, you know, as far as using it for a wallet. But if you want to like get seriously into the cryptocurrency trading on your phone, you need to be, you know, on Binance. Now, Binance is the #1 crypto exchange in the world. There's over 100 different coins you can trade on here. This is basically like the stock market trading app for crypto right here. I mean, it's kind of like Robinhood, but it's more analytical, and I feel like it's just a better app too. I mean, but anyways, so when you're in this, you can check out 24-hour price changes on different coins, which is cool. So it'll show you what's trending up and down. You can check out, you know, highest price to lowest price. Obviously, you can see Bitcoin's up there, but as you scroll down, you're gonna have some other, you know, coins in here like Neo, IOTA, Ripple. You can check out volumes, which basically just shows you what's being sold and bought the most right now, which is cool. So it kind of gives you a bird's eye view of what's going on. If you wanted to buy any of these coins, let's just pull something up on here. Let's see what's going on. I would just click on Neo. All right, so Neo is a pretty cool coin, right? This is like one of China's, you know, top crypto coins, and currently it's selling for about $7, so it's worth about $7. But if you wanted to buy any of this, you would just click the buy button right here after you funded your account. You can then hold Neo for, you know, let's say you want to hold it for a month and it goes up 30%. 10%, or it goes up that amount in a week or, you know, a couple days. Let's say you want to hold it for a year and it goes up to $30. You'd have made a decent amount of money depending on how much you put in. You can also pull up different charts on here so you can see buying and selling happening with the green and the red candlesticks, which is cool. You can pull up different price graphs over, I think, the course of a year, and you can also set alerts, which is cool too. So if you want to like, you know, get into crypto and you want to set alerts on certain coins, this app will allow you to do that. And, you know, you can get a notification if something drops to a certain price and you were thinking about buying it. So anyways, you know, check them out, obviously. The last app I'm going to be getting into here is going to be Affilorama. Now, Affilorama is another affiliate marketing, you know, basically site/app that will teach you how to get into this market. It's been around for a long time, over 10 years. There's a lot of free content on here you can check out. I think there's over 20 free video courses, and then there's some paid content on here as well. The guy who started this is a multimillionaire because of affiliate marketing. So this is another way you can learn how to promote products on the internet and through your phone. And it's just cool stuff. So I'm just going to recap here for everybody. If you're into Texas Hold'em, Ignition is where it's at. You can make, obviously, you know, hundreds of dollars a day on there, but you could lose too. But if you have a knack for poker, I definitely recommend you check them out. Robinhood stock trading is awesome. That's another opportunity where you can make a lot of money. And you don't exactly have to start with a lot. You could have a little bit in there and kind of build it up. You know, you've seen what I've done with just a couple $1,000s. I'm already up $400 for the month. It's not gonna, you know, it's not $100 a day, but at the same time, you know, when you combine all of these together, you can definitely get there. All right, so John Crostini check him out if you really want to learn about affiliate marketing and promoting products on the internet through your phone. Inbox dollars, you could earn an easy 50 to 150. Coinbase and Binance, when you put those together, it's very powerful, and right now I think it's a good time to be getting into the crypto thing. And then of course, Affilorama is my backup right there if you want to check out some more training and courses on affiliate marketing. All right, anyways, you guys, all of this stuff works. You got to put in some work, have a little patience with it, but over time, when you implement the stuff and you practice, you can definitely get really good at it and start earning a lot more than $100 a day. Now, I have links in the description if you want to sign up for any of these. Also, hit me up below in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see y'all later.